All right, so we're on Monday night's homework, and let's go ahead. I'm going to help you out with this problem tonight. And then if once we do this problem should be pretty easy. So let's go ahead and let's read the problem. It says Zoe borrowed $92 from her father. She has already paid back $12. She will pay him another $16 on Monday and then make equal payments of $4 until the rest of the money has been repaid. The expression below can be used to find the number of equal payments Zoe will need to make in order to repay the money. And here's the expression. And then the question asks, how many equal payments will Zoe make in order to repay the money? Now, this type of problem doesn't tell me directly that it's an order of operations problem. In fact, it already sets up the expression for us, but we have to remember that anytime we solve any expression, we need to use order of operations. So I'm going to go ahead and write it down. I'm going to write PEMDAS, which means, remember, we do parentheses first. Then we're going to do any exponents. We're going to multiply and divide from left to right. Remember, they're equals. And then we're going to add and subtract from left to right. So we have these 4 steps we have to memorize. Okay, so because parentheses is up top, I know in any expression, I need to do my parentheses first. So I need to do 12 plus 16. That should be first because 12, 16 are inside the parentheses. So I'm going to do 12 plus 16. And I see that that is 28. So I'm going to rewrite this with 28. So I'm going to rewrite the whole expression. I'm going to write 92 minus 28, and then I'm going to divide it by 4. Now, parentheses has been taken care of. Now I need to see, are there any exponents that I need to take care of as well? Okay, remember exponents have the little guy with a bigger number, a base and an exponent, and I don't see that here, so I know that I can move along. Now, when I see this one, I can multiply and divide. Now, I know a fraction is a symbol of division, but whenever it's written as fraction, I need to simplify this part first and then divide by 4. Because then if not, I'd have to take each number and divide it by 4 and then subtract, and that actually makes more steps that way. So my next step here is actually going to be working out the top of the fraction first. So I'm going to subtract 92 minus 28. Now I have to remember, I can't take 8 away from 2, so I have to remember that I have to borrow 1 from the 9 and make it an 8, and then make this a 12. So I know that 12 minus 8 is 4. 8 minus 2 is 6. So I see now that my numerator, I'm going to cross that out, and I'm going to put 64. And then I'm finally left with 64 divided by 4. So now that I've simplified the whole top of the fraction, now I'm going to come to my last step. So it's going to be 64 divided by 4. So remember, your numerator always goes on the inside. Your denominator is going to go on the outside. 4 goes into 6 only one time. 4 times 1 is 4, so that's what I subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. Bring down your 4. 4 goes into 24 6 times. 4 times 6 is 24, so I subtract and I zero out. So I see that after I solve this expression, I would get B, which is 16. Now, go ahead and follow PEMDAS here. Make sure you're reading through it. Set up your order of operations. There is no fraction here, so you are going to work them out. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Make sure that you follow the order of operations to solve for the next one as well. Peace out.